So guys, we're given a mandate, or some of you call it a brief, to come up with an ingenious way to make cubicles for the kids in one of the schools that I work for. So this was the classroom, and this is where the kids sit. As you can see in this setup, there is 12 kids, and we have cubes for each of the kids to separate them so that each kid can be isolated in one of their cubes. So this is one of the classrooms, and this is the other classroom where there is a setup of 8 kids, and we also need to make cubicles so that we separate those 8 kids as well. So that's the job that we need to do today, and I'll show you step by step how we're going to do it. So this is the designs that we pitched to them. This is a one-child cube. We designed that and we pitched it, and we also designed this. This separates 2 kids which are sitting opposite each other, and the next design is for 6 kids. Every kid will be in their own small section, and the other design is for 4 kids. Each kid will be inside their own cube as well. And the last design is for 2 kids. It separates them in between as well. So these are the designs that we pitched, and out of all the designs, these are the 2 designs that they approved. So now I'm going to show you the thought process of what went through when we're designing those sketches, and I'm going to explain to you how we come up with those sketches and what material we're going to use and how we're going to use it. It's very simple, and it's a 10-minute job if you're doing it yourself, and it's very easy. So come through with me. This is the sketch for 1 or 2 kids separated in the middle of the table. So one will be sitting on this side, the other one on the opposite side. So this is the sketch that we came up with. The material that we're going to use conduit pipes. So we're going to make a frame. It's just a rectangle shape with some foot holdings which we will make it to stand. So it's very simple, and according to the table that we measured, it just needs 60 centimeters length, and the height is going to be 47 centimeters, and the legs are going to be 2 legs joined together, going to be 20 centimeters, and there's going to be a T shape here, an elbow T shape there. So it's very simple and very easy to do. So guys, this is how you make it. We've assembled it, and easy to do. And the kids, six kids, one will be here, one in the middle, and one this side, 3 on the other side. And here we're going to put clear vinyl so that they can be able to see each other, communicate with each other, but still be protected from each other. So this is the easiest thing that you can do during this time if you had a preschool or a school, just to alleviate the tensions and the contractions of the disease. So this is the easiest way. Let me quickly show you how this thing looks like.